Alright, trade recap, how I made $978.38 in 1 minute 34 or 36 seconds, the title will say so. But before that, new setup, I mean, the lighting looks a bit bad here. I might need to shit, the lighting's a bit cooked. But anyways, so going into today, you can see that we're in a very big bearish gap, but we did have these London highs, I believe. Yeah, they had to be, yeah, London highs we had right there and right there. And so those were the crucials. We also had London lows. Yeah, we also had London lows right there. And so honestly, going in, drop down, I really I saw this, when we dropped down, yes, we could go higher, but then I did see this. We had this, newly formed gap here, right here on ES, but not on NQ. So immediately I was more bearish on ES, bullish on NQ, because this gap here was not, did not know how to go invalidated right there. And then after that, really I was just looking, but I didn't really see anything. We were in this gap, not really doing much, and here, right there, I should change this to right, boom. So yeah, we were in these gaps, not really doing anything. Honestly, I was just looking at the high time frame. I wanted to see what market open was saying, because I was kind of bearish on ES, right? Because of the gaps, but then we had SMT at the highs on NQ. Yes, it was an older SMT, but it was still kind of there. So honestly, I didn't know. I was just observing what market open was going to just tell me. And so right here, when did market open? Right there, 9:30 market opened. Market opened right there, 15-minute also we had this. And the thing was, we had this 15-minute gap right there. Anyways, drop down and I see market open. Oh wait, no, it's 9:30. What? Why did why is it changing back? New York. Alright, market open was here at 9:30. And right there at 9:30 market open. We saw that, and then it was kind of just honestly, it was kind of, ES was just, overall ES was kind of just choppy, I'm not gonna lie. ES was here, up, down, not the most choppiest, I mean, we can't see right now, it was over here, but this, up, down, you can see a bit of a range here that was forming on ES. So I was a bit more hesitant to take anything on ES, not that I saw anything. 5-minute here, we saw that price clean flip down to here at 9:40, right there. You can see this gap. We also then, we created, the biggest confirmation for this one was that there was a bearish SMT here on ES somewhere. I'm not going to draw it out, but a bullish one on NQ. Looking for longs on NQ, I was more reliant to, more okay with taking longs. What am I doing, man? You guys don't already know, it's literally 1:40 a.m. as I'm recording this. Proof is right there. You don't need proof, but whatever. So yeah, 5-minute tap, retrace, clean, flip, boom. A bit choppy here, but see this candle here? Strong. Look at this candle, man. Shit, I might as well enter. Boom, emotional trading, bang, you just make $978. You don't need to, strategy does. I'm just saying some random shit. But anyways, boom, we had that, and then I just entered. Yeah, that's about it, to be honest. I went break even at this, which was New York highs. It was a pretty clean break even point. Entered nice after the CISD right here. SMT at the lows, retracing to 5-minute gap, 1-minute flip, boom, boom, boom. Pretty clean stuff. And I entered, and this trade literally took going to 30-second time frame here. Literally 1 minute 30 seconds. Boom, boom, boom. There. Quick trade here, and it closed 15 minutes, basically 16 minutes after open. And now you see this PA. As soon as we take this draw, what happens? This is a bit beyond what we're actually doing. As soon as we take this, which is this right here. This draw on liquidity. This is why draw on liquidity is so important. We just start chopping around. Is this the right thing? Yeah. We take this draw here and then we just start chopping around. We take this draw, London highs, and then look, as soon as that happens, like that is my TP. And then as soon as that happens, yes, first of all, we get dumped, but we just get range. And this is an actual crazy range. Like look at these candles here. Look at the 15-minute chart, just ranging up, down, up, down, up, down. You never want to be trading in a range. We're just ranging between here and this, like nothing besides that. You see this 15-minute gap, ranging between there and ranging on this. But that was a trade. Cool.